A warm contemporary French manor set in the heart of Old Bel Air, a private and gated compound perched above the 6th hole fairway of the world's most exclusive country club, with views spanning the Bel Air greenbelt to the iconic LA skyline and beyond. Yes, that's the house we are going to see inside this video. 10701 Bellagio Road is a $60 million mansion located in Bel Air. The mortgage of this house is around $350,000 a year, not including property taxes. You must watch until the end to not miss out on the world-class movie theatre and almost every amenity a house could offer. And also don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. A new generation of home with trademark elegant lines, striking richness with brand new chevron wood flooring throughout. Elegance, not flash, and beautifully portioned spaces abound. With 24,000 square feet, offering 8 grand bedroom suites, 12 bathrooms, staff quarters and guest house. World-class movie theatre, wellness centre, grand ballroom and exquisite black marble bar with seamlessly integrated indoor and outdoor entertaining spaces. Rolling lawns of green, parking for 30 plus cars with auto gallery. When you first walk in the house, you get a grand seating area, which is one of the many seating areas. This seating area has beautiful white oak chevron floors as well. In the back, you have a more formal sitting area that takes into a cool bar. However, the most beautiful thing in this area is the staircase, which looks like a piece of art. It has stone stairs, nice curve and a beautiful chandelier. It's a very curvaceous staircase. When you enter the bar, you see a pool table and a huge dining table for people to sit and eat good dishes and drink good tequilas made by the barman. Furthermore, you see a nice wine cellar which is so big that it has space to put a treadmill inside it. One of the things this very rare and especially new and modern house is green grass, because everyone tries to build up these houses and make them so large to cover so much of the lot. In the backyard, you see an exact example of that. The backyard is so green and big that it actually looks like a football field. The pool is also on another level. It is really smooth and has a small bridge that allows you to cross the pool easy by walking. On the left side of the pool, you'll see a hot tub that is actually blocked with glass, although it is part of the gigantic pool. Back inside the house, you see a giant hallway where you can access the kitchen. The kitchen has a coffee machine that costs $25,000, where you can make every type of coffee you want. If you want to enjoy yourself and relax, you can watch a movie in the IMAX movie theatre, which can accommodate 50 people. The seats also have remote command, where you can activate the massage mode and feel even more relaxed. The screen is plus than 300 inch. When you go upstairs, you literally find other hallways that connects every room in this house. Before going to the master bedroom, we discovered that there is a room where you can clearly see the golf court of Bel Air. The master bedroom, that is the owner's bedroom, a bathroom with a beautiful closet, and also sitting area where you can chill and watch some TV. And then you've got another bathroom with another beautiful closet. The main difference is actually that the second one is a little bit darker than the other one. Inside the bathroom, you see a massive shower and steam with 2 separate rooms. Going to the gym, you actually get the best view from the backyard. In the gym, you actually have some really particular, which is really nice vacuumed carpet, which makes you feel really nice when you are walking in the area. In this house, you also have a beauty and hair salon, where you can sit back and have your hair cut. This is perfect in times of quarantine. What do you think of all of these amenities? Which ones would you like to have in your house? Let us know in the comment section, and we're going to read all of them. There is also something in this house you have probably never seen before, which is a steam and sauna with a shower in the middle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn on bell notifications so you don't miss any videos just like this one. And if you enjoyed this video, you're sure to enjoy this, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.